The headlines are terrifying. AI is evolving faster than we can adapt. But are we really facing mass unemployment in 2026? The truth is far more complex than a simple yes or no. Here's the real story. Automation doesn't replace jobs, at least not most of them. It replaces tasks. Think of a job as a bundle of chores: data entry, routine coding, first draft analysis. AI is already chewing through those high-volume, predictable tasks. Chatbots draft emails, models summarize reports, code assistants handle boilerplate, productivity spikes, job descriptions shift. But the role? It mutates instead of disappears. Now, what survives, what thrives, are the tasks that are hard to define and even harder to automate. Humans excel at context, emotional intelligence, negotiation under ambiguity, strategy, ethics, taste. Let me show you. AI generating thousands of raw 2D textures, fast, cheap, soulless. A human artist in Blender 5.0 orchestrating those textures into an emotionally charged 3D world. Light, composition, narrative, mood. The AI is a brush, the artist is the director. This is the shift. From doing everything to directing the system that does. From laborer to orchestrator. Welcome to the superworker era. It's not AI versus humans. It's humans with AI outperforming humans without it. The accountant co-piloting with an agent to reconcile thousands of transactions in minutes. The marketer testing 10 angles in an afternoon, focusing on message market fit. The lawyer drafting in seconds, then investing hours in strategy and nuance. Yes, roles will be displaced, but more will be redefined. Prompt with precision. Validate outputs. Stitch tools together. Tell the story around the data. Audit your tasks. Automate the repetitive. Elevate the creative. Learn one AI tool deeply. Stack skills. Prompting, verification, workflow design. Build a personal ops system where AI handles grunt work and you handle judgment. This is a moment to level up, not tap out. The future of work isn't binary, it's blended. And if you're willing to adapt, it's yours to shape.